Meet Samsung 360 Round, a professional camera for creating and live streaming 4K 3D content. With its integrated unibody design, the 360 Round's lenses are positioned like human eyes, offering vivid real-life 4K 3D images. The 6 built-in microphones allow spatial audio playback. Recording on the 360 Round begins with the simple press of a button. Real-time monitoring and control can be done on a PC or smartphone, while the 4K 3D videos can also be streamed live. With IP65 support, the 360 Round allows optimal filming, even in the most challenging environments. The external battery, SSD, and memory card help generate professional content. Video recording couldn't be easier. Position the tripod on a flat surface. Level the camera. Insert the SD memory card. And plug in the power cable with waterproof adapter. Press the power button located at the bottom. Then press the record button. The camera will automatically begin analyzing the current scene while recording and set the camera to the optimum value. The 360 Round can be controlled remotely at any time so long as the camera is connected with the stitching PC via the LAN cable. You can check the stitch preview with minimal latency. Feel free to select between 2D and 3D video modes, and save the stitched video or raw format of video files directly on the PC. For an even more elaborate and sophisticated video recording, use the control panel or other functions such as seam line adjustment, change center camera, manual calibration, spot metering, and SDI output to process production tasks more efficiently and conveniently. And you can turn the 360 Round on and off. If the 360 Round is connected to Wi-Fi, 360 Round mobile app enables real-time monitoring and simple remote control with a smartphone. Original files saved on the SD card can easily be imported and exported using the 360 Round Viewer software. You can quickly export files as a stitched video file or as 17 independent video files. The viewing mode can also be changed in various ways. One of the most powerful features is 360 live streaming. With a simple click, you can broadcast 360 4K 3D videos on Samsung VR in real time, and simultaneously save the files onto your PC. The live stream video broadcast can be viewed in real time via PC or smartphone. With Gear VR, you can watch immersive live streaming. The 360 Round is water and dust resistant, making it an ideal choice for the most challenging environments to capture the content. Additionally, if you are unable to locate a power supply, use the general-purpose external battery. For long-term data storage, connect the mass storage of the SSD to the USB 3.1 Type-C port. True reality for you. Samsung 360 Round.